were some big updates on Instagram in 2020, like Instagram rolling out Instagram Reels, Instagram announcing that they will be rolling out IGTV monetization and IG badges, and the algorithm in 2020 has completely changed. As you know that now algorithm doesn't care about the likes, but instead it focuses on how many saves, shares and comments your post got, and according to that Instagram ranks your post on the explore page and on the hashtags. So today I will be showing you how you can get the saves, the shares and the comments on your post to increase your reach, and which will help you grow your account really fast organically. So now let's start. My channel. Over here we talk about Instagram daily updates and Instagram tips and tricks that you can use to grow your account really fast. And if the kind of stuff interests you and you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, then consider subscribing to my channel, because I post every single week new video that can help you grow your account really fast. And now that out of the way, first thing that I want to say is that if you want to grow your account with the new algorithm, you need to focus on getting those more shares, more saves and the comments, because according to the new algorithm the likes on your post don't really matter anymore. As you can see in this photo, the likes are at the least priority, so according to the algorithm the saves are the king. Whenever a person saves your post, the algorithm gets excited about it and it tries to rank your post on the hashtag and tries to show it to the new people who can be your next client. So now you need to focus on the saves, because if you get the saves and the shares and the comments, now you will be able, your post has the potential to rank on the hashtags and the explore page, and if that happens, your post is shown to so many new people that can help you grow your account drastically. But the question is that how you can how to get those more shares and comments and the saves on your post. Don't worry guys, I got your back, and I'm going to tell you just in a bit how you can get those shares and the comments and the saves. First thing that you need to do in order to get more saves and the shares is that you need to post less about yourself and start providing value to your audience in form of infographic content, or you can produce videos that provide value to your audience. Look at this way, nobody is going to save or share a person just standing still and not doing anything. They're going to like, but they're not going to save or share it to their friends or family, because there is nothing in that post that they can save or share, unless if there is something entertaining in the post they can share or save that post. For example, if you are a gym trainer and you just post your body, you're going to get the likes, but you're not going to get the saves or the shares, because you are just standing still, showing off your body and not showing any and not providing any value to your audience. But whereas if you made a long post saying that how to do push-ups for a beginners, then they can, your audience will see that and they will read through it and they will feel like you have provided value, and they will save it for later if they wanted to come back, and they can share that post to the friends or family who they knew and who that post can help. And at the end, if your post really provided value to that person who was seeing, he will comment on your post saying that very nice or something along that lines. So you need to focus on providing more value and to your audience, and less posting about yourself. But if you really cannot live without posting something about yourself on social media, what you can do is that simply you can make a carousel post where first you can show off your body, and from the second or the third post you can start providing value. Like for example, go back to that gym trainer. If that gym trainer didn't want to just simply provide value in every single post, and he wanted to post regularly about himself, but at the same time he wanted to provide value to his audience. What can he do is that, or what can you do at this time is that, first of all, you can make a carousel post where first you post something about yourself, and then from second or second post you can start providing value. For example, the gym trainer will simply post the first photo of himself, and from the second post he can say that 10 ways to improve your push-ups as a beginner, or something like that. You can do that if you like really want to post about yourself. These are the ways that you can like increase your saves. And now let's talk about the second way how you can increase your saves and the shares. Just simply asking your audience to save or share your post. Just as you write follow this page if you want to get daily updates on something. Now you can also say that I know that you will need this post later on, or someone in your family or friend will need this photo and it can help them. Simply save and share this post, or something along that line, and that will tell people that there is some that he's saying to save and share. And maybe some of them will save it and some of them will share it, and or nobody will share it. But these small type of changes can make a huge difference, because before saying these words you were only getting about 5 saves and 10 shares, but after saying that please share and save this post, because I know that you will need it later on, and somebody in your family or friends will also get value from this type of post. Now you're getting about 10 saves and 20 shares. You have just double the amount of saves and shares you are getting in your post, and just simply asking people to save or share your post, because these small changes can make a huge difference. And this will tell the algorithm that there is something important and there's something amazing in this post that his audience is liking, and why don't we push it to more people. And if they do that, believe me, your account is going to explode really fast in no time. Which is actually the best way to get more saves and share to your post is by simply posting long form content. It either can be an infographic for content, or it can be a long IGTV video where you tell something valuable. And this is actually the greatest way to get your saves and share to your post, because if an interested person will come across your post and he will find it interesting, they will surely save it, because it's going to be really hard for them or for everyone to learn so much information just in a short period of time. And they will know that they will forget something what you have told, so they will save it and for later on, so that they can come back to like remind their brain what he or she told in that video. And if that provides value to them, and they can share this video or the post that you have made to the friends or family who they think that it will provide value to. Then try to find something which is eye catchy, first of all, because you are not making an IGTV video, so it's, you don't have a face, so it becomes a bit harder for you to grab a person's attention. So what you can do is that you can make something interesting with the background or the way you write it, and if you are able to provide a ton of value to your audience in such a small period of time, in 2 or 3 posts, then believe me that you can grow your account really fast. You will get all the saves, the likes and the comment, or whatever you want to get, and you will grow your account really fast if you have the ability to like provide so much value to your audience in such a small period of time. Fifth and the last way that you can get more saves and shares and comments are that providing more value and better content than your competitors. If your competitors score is about 8 out of 10, then at least have a goal of providing 9 out of 10 content to your audience, because if you provide better content than your competitors, your post will stick out and people will see that this guy is providing better value in the same niche, but it is better than the other accounts. But if you are able to do that, then believe me, you can grow your account really fast. It is not only on Instagram but on any other social media. If you provide better value than your competitors, you can grow your account or your brand really fast, and you can be a big brand. Yes, now the algorithm doesn't look at the likes, but it looks at how many people saved, shared and commented on your post. So that means that there is more work to be done on your side, and you also need to understand that 95% of the time you will not be able to get all those threes in the same post. By three I mean the saves, shares and the comments. And but you need to keep posting because it's the game of trial and error. And even if you get about two or one out of those threes, you still have chances to grow your account and rank your post on that hashtags and the explore page, because there are so many content creators that are not doing anything to get more saves and the shares. So you have a leg up, and you have still have chances to like grow your account really fast. And the one thing that you need to do is that keep posting, keep improving your post, and never give up. And there is a bonus tip for you guys. Like if you have a, like imagine that this is a post A and this is post B, and you see the post A is getting more saves, more shares and more comments, but the post B is only getting shares and the comments. And what you need to do is that you need to make more posts later to post A. So we'll do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got value and you learned something new, and if yes, then consider subscribing and liking this video for the YouTube algorithm, because that helps the channel a lot, and plus it keeps me motivated to produce more content just like this to help you guys grow your account really fast. And one thing that I want to say is that if you watch this video, and you need to take action, because if you take action then only you will be able to get more saves. And if you only watch this video and you don't do anything, then you will not be able to get more saves and more shares. And do take action and try this. It is a best way to get more shares and saves. And till then, have a good day, have a good weekend, have a good year, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.